Next to me over here we have a fixture 090, which is a fixture we use in our PORTACENTER to machine complex components when you need 5-side machining. So like in this case, we have a master pump that is machining 5 sizes, and we clamp it once, we finish 100% in 87 seconds. So this fixture is very good to avoid OP10 and OP10. In the other side, we have the double fixture, always the same concept, 090, but instead of 87 seconds, we go down to 60 seconds per part because we produce 2 parts at a time, always in one clamping. So these are the fixture 090, single or double, that you can have on your new PORTACENTER or on your existing PORTACENTER to gain productivity.